fresh, so new.
Freedom!
It's all for you.
All for you. Freedom!
Keep your ear to the ground.
Talking about the freedom!
Hey guys, what's up? It's Bonita and I'm back with another tutorial. So we're gonna jump a little bit deeper into some top rock steps, and this step specifically is a rocking step, or it traces back to rocking roots. There really isn't a specific name for this step. I do teach it quite a bit in my breaking classes. I reached out to Legs and Wiggles to see if we could, figure out what the step name of it is. But again, it's hard to really pinpoint a specific name. So it's just a rocking variation step. I'm gonna share it with you today. Hopefully you can incorporate it with your top rocks. So pretty simple in terms of concept. You're just gonna jump out with both feet. I kind of think of like a triangle. So these would be the bottom two corners. My feet are hitting. I'm gonna jump back with one foot, take my body with me, and then this front foot, I'm gonna kind of jump over that triangle, right? So I just go out, and then I'm gonna go back, and then I'm gonna go front. Good, again. So we go out, back, front. Very good. 5, 6, 7, stay on that foot. You go out, back, front. Good, again. 5, 6, 7, you go out, back, front. Again, we're gonna go now, that was one foot here, ha, we're gonna take it to the other side. So boom, now I'm gonna jump back with my other foot, ta, ta. Good. You can kind of see that I'm kind of like cupping my foot, not as high as a cork, but you could connect up here, you can connect down here by your ankle, you can keep it up if you jump forward. That's all preference, style, flavor, add your own. So we'll do that other side, okay? Boom, back, front, I kept it up there. Boom, back, front, kept it up. Boom, we can go like if we're gonna drop cork all the way up. Ta, you can even touch it if you want. Boom, ta, ta. Good, nice. Okay, 5, let's do this. We'll do 2 with it low, 2 with it high, and then connect the knees. So we'll do 6, and we'll just switch the variation of the foot. Down low, up, and then connect the knees. Woo, like that. Here we go. And 5, 6, 7, we go out, back, low, out, back, low, out, back, high, out, back, high, out, back, connect the knee, out, back, connect the knee. Nice. One last thing, make sure, as we've talked about in my other top rock tutorials, your weight is moving, your upper body is moving the way that you're stepping. So if I'm stepping forward, my weight of my upper body is forward. If I'm stepping back, the weight of my upper body is back, okay? One last time like that. Here we go, put some little vibe to it. And 5, 6, 7, we go out, back, low, out, back, low, out, back, up, out, back, up, out, back, connect, out, back, connect. Good. Again, you can play with all of those positions, turn it however you want, taka-ta, yeah? So it doesn't also have to be so big, gig, yeah, big, big. It could be low. If the song doesn't call for something super like ta, 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 if you're not hearing that music like that, it's a little softer, keep it softer, sa, 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 right? So you can just be rotating your feet too. Yeah, nice. All right, guys, so there's your rocking variation top rock. Don't forget, like, subscribe, share, and stay posted. More tutorials coming your way. Be blessed.